Chinaya, gene wo wash. Gene wo wash, Chinaya.
Day.
Okay. And then why are you telling me yesterday?
Uh,
Okay, so now, when I say ketiko boshigishiga, it means how's your day going? Just the same question I asked Ebuka. So everybody needs to pay attention when I ask question here. All right, so Tata, again today.
Today.
Now I'm going to say something now. Tabunkwo, echibuorio, nwanne chaburu ekeo, nwanne chaburu afọ egwugwu. Ụbọchị ahụ ka anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti mmanwụ, anyị ga-eme mmanwụ. Ụbọchị ahụ ka anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti mmanwụ, anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti mmanwụ. Ụbọchị ahụ ka unu ga-eme ngene, ụbọchị ahụ ka anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti mmanwụ, anyị ga-eme mmanwụ. Ụbọchị ahụ ka anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti mmanwụ, anyị ga-eme ya eme. So now I use the 4 market days, okay? Igbo market days to sing this. Who can name the 4 market days? Ebuka. Kedu the 4 market days? Ebuka no kuta.
Amaghị m ya.
Okay. Okay, let's see. So by the kedu onye maya? Chinenye maya? Favor emaya? Kedu onye maya? Ogechi maya?
Ama m abụọ.
Okay, kedu abụọ ya ma?
Ana m eche afọ.
Afọ, not afọ. Afọ means stomach.
Afọ.
Kedu nke ọzọ?
Na nwankwọ.
Nkwọ.
Nkwọ.
Okay, so if you look on the screen here, now we have these 4 market days. Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. Okay? Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. All right? In the Igbo land, they will, when you are born, based on the day you are born, this is how they named before. People have like 2 names. Forget about that, English came and brought civilization and telling us to answer all these English names. But in Igbo land before, if you are born on a Kede, you are going to be named, like if you're a boy, you are okay? So, like if you're born on Kwode, if you're a girl, Mbokwo, Mbokwo, Mbori. You see that? Mbeke. So this is how they name the thing. If you're born Afode, Mbafo. So they name you based on these 4 market days. Okori for Nwoke, Okafo, Okeke. These are the names. So you may be hearing, and some of these last names that we answer, you hear like my grandfather's name from my maiden name should be Okoli, but then the attached name Chukuma. So it's like when the grandfather passes, so their sons sometimes they start changing because they didn't want their father's name to get lost. Then you see the family name changing. So all these things been happening. And these days you hear some people answering Jones. That's not Igbo name. That is not Igbo names. You can never get a last name, an Igbo person, and you hear Jones, Brown, that's not, some of them, that's just made up name. But an Igbo indigene, okay, the real call Igbo name, last name, should be those ones that are in Igbo word. So all these ones you're hearing these days are just probably just, we say modern. But if you are born in Igbo land, these 4 market days, Mbafo, Okeke, Okori, Okonkwo, so Mboko, But these days, when you call any child this name, they feel like it's a cage and they won't answer it. It's like to them, it's a, and then some of them that used to answer it, you call them that name, it feels like you're belittling them because of civilization. But this is how they named their children before. They all have all these names. So find out the day you were born, look up Igbo calendar, find out the day you were born, and then you see the market day you were born. And then that's your name, the origin of your name. All right, so enough of it. And then these days are central to the Igbo week. Like we say, Izu. I asked Ebuka, Kediki Izu Gishirega, how did your week go? So Izu. So all these words, just pick them. And that's how you make up your words. So language is tricky, but if you get around it, trust me, you will beat it. And I know some of you are making great effort here, and I'm so happy. All right, so enough of it. We're gonna do we have quiz after this review, but it's not gonna be, it's going to be like kind of miscellaneous. So Igbo words and plural usage. I've been mentioning this, but I believe that some of you have not been paying attention. So remember, I always say that do not have double letters in the beginning of Igbo word, except Igbo names. You can't have it in the middle. One cancels the other. It is the same in English too, unless you put a dash. Okay, that's the only way you can have two letters close, but you can't have double, but you see them a lot. If some of you Google something, see on Google, hey, that's not right. You can have double letters at the end, just a long vowels. But with the exception of Igbo names, that's the only way you can have double letters in the beginning, not even in the middle. Okay, pay attention to that. Now, here I said there is no X. The S, plural in Igbo words. Okay, just like you say, for example, here I have 5 bags. Okay, my bags. You see that? When you say my bags, in Igbo, what you say, when you say my bags in Igbo, bag, when you say my bags, what will you say in Igbo?
Ndi akpa.
Now, you say simple. That's why we say there's no such a thing as S in Igbo word, okay? My bags, again, apam. So there's no way to tell what you mean. The only way, you see where I says I have 5 bags, or you can say my 5 bags. Now, if you say my 5 bags, okay, chicken kige kweba.
Akpam ise.
Akpamise, yeah. You see that? And then if you say, I have 5 bags, that's the only way you can tell us, you let us know what you're talking about. But in Igbo, when you say my books, akwukwom, unless if you say, those books are mine, akwukwom there, bunkem. Ebuka, see when you put in there, those places are mine. Referendum. See? So, but when you say my 5 bags, me say, that's it. I have bags. You see? Another tricky one. I have bags. We don't know how many. In English, you say bags, but in Igbo, or you can say, I have a lot of noun. If you say, I have a lot of bags, I have lots of bags, okay? Okay. Enwere m ọtụtụ akpa. That's the only way you can put plural there. Enwere m ọtụtụ akpa. Ọtụtụ, this ọtụtụ represent plural. It means they have a lot of bags. I have lots of bags. But you cannot say, enwere m. If you say, my bags, we'll say my bags. Say, akpa ole ka ị nwere? Then say, how many bags? How many bags? Akpa ole? And then you say, I have 10 bags. So, okay, ị nwere akpa ise. But when you say, my pens, my cups, ikom, okay? These cups are mine. Ikondia bunkem. Ikondia bunkem. But there's no way you can put that S. Unless if you're having a conversation. Ogechi, inwere akpa. Enwere m akpa. Enwere m akpa. Enwere m akpa atọ. Oh, see, I have 3 bags. That's the only way you can say that. But when you say, I have bags, it's just the same. Enwere m akpa. Enwere m akpa. Not, I have bags. Enwere m akpa. There's no X there. Okay? So, onwere onye nwere ajụjụ. If you have a question, ask me now.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay. Ajụjụ gị.
If you wanted to say like which bag?
I'm calling, yeah, there you go. Which? No, get you which. Nkole, nke. Call is which.
Yeah.
Nkole, which bag? I said, which bag? Nkole. And then the person will tell you.
Okay.
So it has to go with the conversation for you to get what you need.
Mm-hmm.
Which bag? Nkole. It would like, we have 3-4 bags on the table. That bag is mine. Then you turn around and say, which one? Mm-hmm. Which bag? You see what I'm saying? Yes. Nkole. Yeah, let's say we have different colors. And the person says, oh, these bags are mine. You say, Nkole, which one? I say, oh, the red one. We're going to do colors. We're going to do adjectives. All those things. All right. Okay. Nwere ajụjụ ọzọ ị nwere?
Mba, daalụ.
Ndewo. Onwe onye nwere ajụjụ? Okay. Now, siblings. This is a review because we mentioned all this before. Probably you're just paying attention now. Siblings. Ụmụnne. Ụmụnne. See how you represent that S there. Ụmụnne. Okay. Now, you may ask, why do we have double letters here? These are 2 different words. Don't forget, ne is a mother. Omo is a children. So that's why I say with the exception, this is a name. Okay? Omo, ne. These are 2 letters combined, 2 words combined. So don't get confused when you see something like that. You'll be like, oh, we have double letters in the middle. No, because there are 2 words combined. All right, then my siblings. Omunnem. Omunnem. Okay? So this is how you represent plural. Like if I say now, Ralo, buga nni, bugara ndị nwoke nni. For example, in this class we have, okay, male and female, right? Then I'll tell Ralo, take that food to just men only. Guys, bugara ya ndị nwoke. Or I can say, bunye ya ụmụ nwoke. You can use ụmụ, you can use nde. That's how you use plural. That's what you use to represent plural. So, this is how we do it. Student, nwata akwụkwọ, just one, singular. Students, ụmụ, see how you represent that S. Ụmụ akwụkwọ, students. Okay? Those men, ndị nwoke. Those women, ndị nwanyị. You can say ụmụ nwoke, ụmụ nwanyị. Okay, ndị nwoke, ndị nwanyị, ụmụ nwanyị. That's how you do it. All right, so moving on again. I see, again, this is a review. Remember, I said the only time you can use gara, maọbụ jere, is with went. Okay, time I will say, I went to my house. Probably she's in the dorm living away, okay, going to school, and she visited home. I went to my house. For example, now let me ask this question because I know this is a little tricky. If for example, I say, Ebuka will come home tomorrow. Who will tell me how to say this? I'm waiting. Who will tell me how to say Ebuka will come home tomorrow? Onwere ndị nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Okay, Chinenye.
Ebuka ga-abịara n'ụlọ echi.
Ebuka ga-abịa. You see, I know why I put this in here. Okay. Chinenye said Ebuka ga-abịa because in the future, right? Na ụlọ echi. Okay, Chinenye, that is wrong. Now, the reason I brought it up is this. That's a difference when somebody is coming to his home or her home. And a difference when somebody is visiting to your home. So in this case, that future tense does not apply. Because this is Ebuka's home. This is Ebuka's house. Ebuka is away. Ebuka is visiting. If Ebuka's mom said, Ebuka will come home tomorrow, it means Ebuka ga-alọta. Alọta. So for example, I say, hey, Ebuka kwan kemgbe ọ ga-alọta, when did Ebuka come home? When did you see Ebuka? Then she will say, oh, Ebuka will come home tomorrow. It means, for example, school is over now, and the long vacation, Ebuka is going back home. It's not the same thing as Gabia. I want to make sure that you guys are, because the other class, there's the same thing. I have another intermediate class. Those are just strictly adults that pay the classes, they pay monthly. Okay, so the same issue. So they got confused. So when you say, if Ebuka said, nah, my mom is coming home, it's not the same thing as the person coming to your house. My mom is coming home. My mom ga na lota. See? So that home is your home. But if it's somebody, if it's just Chinenye ga-abịa n'ụlọ m echi, see, Chinenye will come to my house echi. Chinenye is not your home, you're visiting. But if your dad say Chinenye ga-alọta echi, it means Chinenye will come home. You're coming to your home. So I want to make sure, is anybody confused? So that's Chinenye. So the big difference that's Ebuka will come home. I know what threw you off is this will, which is ga. It means Ebuka ga lota ụlọ echi. So that's how we're gonna say it. Ebuka ga alota is no longer gabia. He's not visiting because that's his home. So when you're making the sentence, pay attention. Ebuka ga alota ụlọ echi, because that's his home. Now, okay, we visit home tomorrow. When you hear this word home, that's that person's home, house. That person is not a stranger. That person is not visiting. So you need to pay attention to come or home. Okay? If I say, okay, we visit Chinenye's house. It's a different thing. So this is what I want you to pay attention to. It's not the same when you're visiting. Yeah, okay, we visit home tomorrow. Now it means okay. Ga-abịa. Oge ga-abịa. See that? Ga-abịa ụlọ. Ga-abịa ụlọ. Oge ga-abịa ụlọ. Echi. Okay? Ụlọ. When I say Ogechi will visit me, it's a different thing. But Oge will visit home tomorrow. This person telling me this could be Oge's relation, Oge's parents, Oge's siblings. That's the only way. But if you are the one say, Oge will visit her home. Another person, Oge, a friend, will say, oh, Oge will visit her home. Oge ga-aga ụlọ ya. Ga-aga ụlọ ya. Oge will visit her home. Oge ga-aga ụlọ ya. Okay. All right. I'm going to pause a little bit. So I need to get my charger. So if somebody says, Ogechi, we visit her home, it means Oge ga-aga ụlọ ya. Her home, ụlọ ya. So let's put it here. Okay, Ogechi ga-abịa ụlọ. Ha ga-abịa ụlọ. She's not coming home. She's just visiting to live. When you say, oh, okay, we visit home today, ọ ga-alọta ụlọ, ọ ga-abịa ụlọ tata, meaning she's visiting and she's living. But when you say, oh, Ebuka will come home tomorrow. School is going to be over, he's coming home. Oh, he's living in another place, he's coming home. He traveled, he's coming home. Oh, you see that? So that's, I needed to pay attention. Okay, ga-abịa ụlọ taa. Now, when you say Neka, will visit her home today. So, I just said it several times here. Who will tell me what it is? Because I just repeated it. Neka will visit her home today. I need a volunteer. Neka will visit her home today. All right? Neka ga-aga ụlọ ya taa. Ga-aga ụlọ ya taa. It means her home. Neka ga-aga ụlọ ya taa. Okay, so o nwere onye nwere ajụjụ na ihe a anyị mere ugbu a? How to know if it's, even though it's a future tense, but what changes it? So if you're confused, let me know. Okay. Well. Now, when you say we went, anyị gara, anyị jere. This word went, the only word that you're going to use jere, nagara. Even though it's a past tense, but it has nothing to do with came, biara. So what I did, I put it here, went, gara, jere. Now we have I came. So what we did here, I say here, I came means biara, past tense. She came, or biara. Now, they came, ha biara. Biara, okay, for past tense. I will come, will is aga. So it's well. So probably you will need to print this thing out to help you when you're making sentences. If it's something that is happening now, present, it's na. If it's future, it's ga. If it's past tense, came, it's biara. If it's past tense, went, it's gara, mabujere. Okay, I can stress it. No. Okay. The sentence we made up there. I have bags. Enwere m akpa. So there's no way you can show that unless then when you say enwere m akpa, then Ogechi will say, Ogechi will ask me, how many bags do you have? Akpa ole ka ị nwere? Or she can say ị nwere akpa ole. You can twist it. It's not one-way road. Akpa ole ka ị nwere? How many bags do you have? Or she can say ị nwere akpa ole? All right. And then the person will tell you. Now, she will come home tomorrow. A repetition. Because I want to make sure you get it. Oga alota ulo echi. You can do without now. Okay? She will come home. Oga alota ulo echi. Now, when you say she will come home and leave right away. Oga abia. Now, pay attention. Oga abia ulo puwa ozigbo. Puwa ozigbo means leave right away. He will come to my home, my house tomorrow. Oga abia n'ụlọ m echi. So this person is coming to your house. This person is not a family. This person is not, it's not this person's home. So that's what I'm trying to get you to know. All right. So onweye nwere ajụjụ there. How to make the sentence, because I would like you to do it yourself. All right. Days, we have ụbọchị with a day. How was your day? Kedu ka ụbọchị gị siri ga? How was your day? How is your day going? Kedu ka ụbọchị gị si aga? This is now everything present, past tense, future. So that's why it's very important you know how to make these sentences, because that's the key. Today, ta, maọbụ tata. Tomorrow, echi. Next tomorrow, nwanne echi. In 3 days, okay? Nwanne echi. Okay, it's like a brother or sister, sibling of the day. That's what it is. Yesterday, ụnyaahụ. All right? Day before yesterday, nwanne ụnyaahụ. In 3 days, nwanne ụnyaahụ. All right. So, and we also say about family things, how to use plural, how not to use plural. Onweye nwere ajụjụ. Achọrọ m onwe onye nwere ajụjụ ya jụọ ugbu a. If you have a question, ask me now. O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? All right. Ngwa na anyị ga-eme quiz. Anyị ga-eme quiz. Agbamajụjụ quiz. Mana tupu anyị ebido agbamajụ. Oh, onye nwekwara. Let's see. We have 20 more minutes. All right. Let's see if we can do. Everybody go to your Kahoot. I'm going to stop sharing. Go to kahoot.it. Where is my Kahoot? I still have it. Uh-oh. All right. So let's do kind of phrases. Is it this one? All right, go to your Kahoot.it. So we're going to do. All right. Ready? Mm-hmm. All right, put your pen. Let's see how we're gonna do. 1280531.
Kwea ọzọ.
1280531. 1280531. We're starting in the next 15 seconds. We don't have time. 1280531. All right, we're gonna go.
Auntie, please wait, please.
1280531. Biko chere will please wait. I need everybody to be speaking Igbo in this class. Onye ọbụla sụwara m Igbo. Sụwara m Igbo. Sụwara m Igbo. One, 280-531. Okay, Banyala Chimbusamma. Chimbusamma. Okay, Batago.
Mbatago.
Okay, all right. We're gonna start. Okay. Ikuzi. This is a verb. We did it already. Ikuzi. Ikuzi, to teach. To teach is ikuzi. Nkọwa. Nkọwa. Introduction. Homework. You're supposed to know it. Ihe omume maọbụ ihe ọmụmụ. Ebuka is leading. Aji maọbụ ntutu. You should know it. Yeah, hey. Who is our leader? Ebuka Nokuto Ogechi. Hadasa Ebuka Innocent Kaima. Agwa. Supposedly one of the topics, and it's there. Miscellaneous, right? Mix, some people say mixed together. Now, let me explain that one. Agwaragwa means mixed together. Gwagariaya. But agwaragwa is miscellaneous. It's still in the line of mixed together. Okay? So, those of you that answered the red. Okay. All right? But answer is what? The green color. All of you felt it. Okay. All right. Allah. Allah. Okay, good. Agwọ. Gịnị ka m sị na ọ wụ agwọ? Agwọ wụ snake. Beans. Beans. Beans is agua. Agua. The beans, ordinary beans. Okay. Oh, Abuka, what happened? Why? You went all the way down. Okay. Kama. Oh, I like the way you put your name. Hadasa, Ebuka, Kaima, and boy, Ebuka went all the way down. We came today. We came today. Anye biarata. I can't believe somebody missed that one. Okay, Ogechi is still leading. They will not come tomorrow. Agaga abia echi. Okay. I am coming. Anamabia. Okay, everybody got it. Okay, Buka is coming up again. Let's see. Lion. Ago. Ago is lion. Uh-oh, somebody is knocked out of the scoreboard. Side. Side, but akoko, the yellow. Akoko. Ego. Ego is money. Nyeme ego. Nyem ego. Character. Character is character is agua. Now remember we have agua. Okay? Agua. It can be beans. If you say it in Igbo, you have to explain what you mean. Agua. Aga may see agua. I will cook beans. Oh, Ogechi nwere agwa ọma. Ogechi has a nice character. Okay, so you see, based on the content. Okay, so o nwere agwa ọma. O nweghị agwa ọma. Has bad character. So agwa. This is character. Agwa. Let me see what happened. Oh, Jason is up now. All right. Assignment. Assignment is green. Ihe omume maọbụ ihe ọmụmụ. Boy, the other Ebuka got up there. Good. Wait for me. Wait for me. Cheremo. Cheremo is wait for me. Ago. Ago. Ago na agum hunger. I am hungry. Show me. Show me. Supposed to know we have a lot of clues there. Okay, at least. Show. Zim. 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 Say that? So show me means zim the blue color. Okay, she's still leading. Nobody wanna get her out of the way. Sorry. Sorry, but ndo. Teaching. Teaching, but nkuzi. Back. Azụ. Body. Ahụ. Daalụ. There you go. Afụfa. Aṅara. Afụfa. Aṅara. That's getting egg. Let's see. Oh, Jason is leading now. Oh my God. Ebuka, where are you? Okay, just stay there, but Jason took over. Okay. Efere. Efere. All right, plate. Let's see if we can get it done before my next class. Ako. This one may confuse you. Ako. Ako. That's why it's called as ako. It's wet. Good. Some of you got it. Wet is ako. Okay. Okay, she's back up there, Jason. Boy. Aga. Aga. Agha. Let's see how many of you that will get it. Agha is war. War is agha. We have war. That is war. That is a war. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. She's the lead again. We have a few more questions. Achicha. Achicha. Achicha means bread. Enwere m achicha. Azụ. Remember, we have azụ. We have azụ. Fish. Daalụ. Anyasị maọbụ abalị. It means night. One more question. Kuziere m. Kuziere m. Kuziere means teach me. Zimu means show me. Zimu, show me. Kuziere is to teach me. It's telling the person, teach me. So there are two different things. Okay, she's leading again. Let's see if somebody is going to take over. Hajere. Hajere. They went. Okay. Good job, everybody. Let's see. The podium. Hadassah, second. Okay, who is it? Wait. Okay, Jason, third. Okay, she first. Well, can you call no haka? Kora no haka means clap for them. You all did very well. That's good. Yeah. So everybody please just go over, review, use it, speak it. Please, next class, we're going to do, I think we do some vocabularies. And then after that, you're going to make sentences, and we're also going to have interaction. Don't miss class because I said that. We're going to have interaction one-on-one, okay? Do not miss class. If you miss class, I'm going to call you. Even if you're at work, I'll call you. So don't miss class. When is your mouth?
Audio.
Okay.